Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is...
You have unread messages.
Southern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, western Richmond County in central North Carolina, eastern Stanley County in central North Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Wadesboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Wadesboro, Ansonville, Polkton, Norwood, Baden, Mount Gilead, Allenby, Kansas, and Lylesville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: